WooCommerce is one of the most popular platforms for starting an online store, but before you commit, here are 12 essential things you need to know. We'll compare it to other dropshipping options to help you decide if it's the right choice for you. First thing, WooCommerce is a plugin for WordPress, which means you need to already be using WordPress to install it. Unlike Shopify, which is a full-featured standalone platform, WooCommerce adds flexibility but comes with more setup work. Next thing, WooCommerce is highly customizable, but this comes with a learning curve. You have access to thousands of themes and plugins, but with that freedom, there's the responsibility of managing updates, security, and potential conflicts. Shopify, for example, is much more beginner-friendly, handling these aspects automatically. The third thing to keep in mind is the pricing. While WooCommerce itself is free, you'll need to pay for hosting, a domain name, and potentially various plugins for functionality, like payment gateways or advanced shipping options. These add up over time. Shopify, on the other hand, includes everything in its monthly fees, so there are no hidden costs. The fourth thing, WooCommerce offers great integration options, allowing you to connect your store to various tools, including email marketing, accounting, and customer service platforms. However, depending on your needs, these integrations might require third-party apps, which could add to the cost and complexity. In comparison, platforms like BigCommerce have many of these features built in. Next up, WooCommerce works well for a wide range of products, including physical, digital, and subscription-based items. But if you're planning on running a large dropshipping operation, scaling can be a challenge. Shopify, for example, offers more dropshipping-centric features out of the box, such as easy integration with suppliers. The sixth thing is the speed and performance. With WooCommerce, your site speed is largely dependent on your hosting provider. If you're not using a top-tier host, you might experience slower load times. In contrast, Shopify takes care of hosting and optimization, offering faster load speeds right from the start. Seventh thing, WooCommerce provides a lot of control over SEO, which can be a major advantage if you want to build organic traffic over time. You can optimize every product page and blog post to improve search engine rankings. On the flip side, Shopify offers SEO features, but it's not as flexible as WooCommerce in terms of customization. The eighth thing is that WooCommerce can handle a variety of payment gateways, including PayPal, Stripe, and others. However, it's worth noting that payment processing fees can vary based on the gateway you choose. Shopify offers its own payment system, Shopify Payments, which can reduce fees if you choose to use it. Next thing, security is a big concern for any e-commerce platform. With WooCommerce, you're responsible for keeping your site secure through updates, security plugins, and ensuring your hosting provider offers proper protection. Shopify, being a hosted solution, handles security for you, including SSL certification and PCI compliance. The 10th thing, WooCommerce offers a wide range of shipping options and is extremely customizable when it comes to setting rates and rules for shipping. But it can be a bit overwhelming to set up. Shopify, meanwhile, offers streamlined shipping features that are easier to configure, but at a higher cost. 11th thing, customer support can be tricky with WooCommerce. Since it's open source, you're often left to figure out issues yourself or rely on forums and paid support services. Shopify offers 24/7 customer support, which can be a lifesaver, especially for beginners. The 12th thing, if you're looking to start with a small store and grow it over time, WooCommerce can be a great choice. But if you're aiming for rapid growth or want an easier to manage solution with dedicated support, platforms like Shopify might be a better fit. Overall, WooCommerce is a good option if you value flexibility, control, and don't mind the extra work. However, if you want a more streamlined, user-friendly experience, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.